my channel, thank you so much for watching. If you are new here, please make sure you do subscribe to my channel and become part of the A gang. I'd really appreciate that. And if you are coming back, thank you so much. I really appreciate you. So today, guys, I'm gonna be showing you how I achieved this look, and also how I made my wig to have this part, this fringe or bangs, whatever you call it. So if you're interested to see all of that, then please keep on watching, and don't forget to like this video and share and leave a comment in the comment section down below, and let me know what you think about the look and my wig. Okay. So firstly, I'm gonna start by concealing my eyelids with the LA Girl Pro Concealer in the shade Creamy Beige, just to prepare for the eyeshadow. And today I'm using the Beauty Define eyeshadow palette. And firstly, I'm going with that deep purple to cut my crease, just like that. And I want this purple to be like deep purple, so I went ahead with that brownish color, that just to deepen the color more. Just take your time, guys. And then when I was satisfied with that, I went again to cut my crease with the same concealer that I used to prepare for my eyeshadow in the shade Creamy Beige, the LA Girl Pro Concealer. And I just cut my crease like that. Just take your time when you cut your crease, guys. No rush. And then after cutting my crease, I went on with that yellow shade as my first eyeshadow. And then next I went with that light green shade as my second eyeshadow. And then my third eyeshadow, I used that blue just at the end. And then to close off my eyeshadow, I used those two shades and then blended everything. And then I took this shimmery green from my other palette. This is an old eyeshadow palette, guys. I don't even know the name of it. And just went on top of that green eyeshadow, just to give it a little bit of a zhuzh. And then to mascarize my lashes, I'm using the Essence X-Ray mascara. Then moving to the face, I use my favorite foundation, which is the Revlon Candid foundation in the shade 440. And then unfortunately my battery died while I was still filming, but I do have a foundation routine on my channel, so you can check that out if you want to. So now moving to the hair, I wanted to cut my hair and create a fringe like those bangs. So just watch guys how I did it. I showed you everything. So you'll need to have a pair of scissors, and yeah, just keep on watching to see everything. I don't really know how to explain, but it's very easy. As you can see, this is an old wig guys. This was my first ever wig, so it's very special to me. So yeah, please keep on watching. I'm using the straightening iron from Clicks. I got this iron for 100 rands, and shame, yazama, it makes the pots to be done. It does the job guys, but okay, it's not the best, but okay, you can't complain because the price yacho. So yeah, and now I'm spraying my hair with pure water just to tame down the flyaways, and that is it guys. So easy. Oh, I was so excited. I did that. Wow. And I ended up changing the lipstick guys. I just felt like that dark lipstick doesn't suit me for some reason. So yeah, I changed the lip color. Otherwise, this is it. Thank you so much for watching. Please don't forget to subscribe. Bye.